This is it, guys. I guess Viking has the easiest job application portal, and as you know, we are supposed to apply for Viking Ocean if you're not in the US. So they have a lot of jobs opening, starting from the ones that requires experience to those that don't require experience at all. So let me show you. Let's click here. Let's view the jobs that are available right now with Vikings. As you can see, Viking Ocean has over 74 jobs opening in all departments. Okay, so if you're looking to apply for a job, this is your chance. Give it a shot, and they all need your your CV only. You don't require to upload your cover letter, but if you attach your CV and the cover letter together in one PDF, you can upload all of them together. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do the application, how to get to this website, and how to know on how to know how to write your CV. I don't know if I'm speaking the correct English. Anyway, I hope you understand me. So let's get into it. So guys, I know most of you know how to go to these pages, like how to go to the Viking cruise page, and all you need to go is to go to your Google search, in a Google search, and type Viking cruise jobs application, and then click search, and you'll get these results. You just click on Viking careers / job opportunity with the world's #1 cruise line. So let's click on this, and don't forget, Viking cruise pays really good. Okay, they pay really good, and I'm going to be showing you on how to maneuver or how to get this job easily. Normally, when you get to the website, this is what you get to see. Become a Viking, build your career, and then when you come here, now you have to search depending on which position, on which department you are in. Okay, but this is what I want you to understand. Instead of just coming here and clicking food and beverage, and normally when you click food and beverage, it will bring you all position in food and beverage, either it's ocean, if it's Mississippi, and all that kind of such. And for now, we are looking forward to apply with ocean, and I'm going to be showing you what you need to do to have all the position right on your fingertips. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up right now, it's free. Leave a positive comment, and share with your friends, family, or people whom you feel they need this kind of information. Thank you so much for the support. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So guys, let's get back to the business, that is me showing you how to apply with them. And don't forget, they have so many jobs opening. Hata wenye hawana experience, you can try this one. I'll show you some of the positions that you can do. Just need to make your CV and do apply with Viking. So as you can see, there's a Career Center, Corporate, Life at Viking, About Us, Event, and Candidate Login. So what you need to do, just come here where they have written Life at Viking. Click here, and then we have what set us apart, Life on Board, our global office. Just click on Life on Board. It's very easy, guys. So when you click on Life on Board, you come here, scroll down. This is for those people who have time and maybe they don't have money to pay for someone to assist them with the application. That's why I normally do this tutorials on YouTube. It's for that purpose, for you guys to know that the information is out there and you don't have to worry. So as you can see, we have ocean and expedition ships, and we have river ship and Mississippi ships. Okay, so for us, we need only to apply with ocean and expedition ships, and that's where we are going to click. Okay, as we can see, our small ocean and state-of-the-art expedition ships travel over 4,000 ports across our 7 continents. Crew members work for 6 months, followed by 2 months off. So with Vikings, you just go in for 6 months and then go home for 2 months, which is enough for you to get a rest. Working in a cruise ship is tiresome and you need enough rest. So when you get those 2 months, go home, relax, start a project. Okay, you don't have to always rely on your salary. Start a project at home, because after every 2 months, after every 6 months, you'll be coming back home to check your project. And that is one of the advantages of working on a cruise ship compared to a 2 years contract in Middle East where you cannot go home. Okay, so what you need to do is just click there, and then it will bring you to Ocean's job. This is where you just click the Ocean's job, and you see now the advantage of this way of looking for this position is that you get to find them, all of them, like all these are Ocean's job. Okay, you can tell I've been here before for assistant waiter, crew mess, and yeah, so let's go through these positions for you guys to get to see. There's hotel administrator, there's broadcast manager, there's crew mess. You guys, I don't know if you know about this position. This position is normally for, it's you. Okay, I will open it for you to understand. It's a position that doesn't require a lot of experience, and most of positions in Vikings, they require you to have like 2 years experience working. So even if you just started working 2 years, you just need 2 years of experience to apply for most of the position here on Vikings. So when you come here, you see there's the next, okay, because they have 74 jobs. So what you do, you see there's guest service manager, inventory manager. Sorry, there's this message pop-up that normally comes. There's washer specialist, there's senior laundry man. Let's go to 3. We're going to look at all these positions. There's sauce chef, there's kitchen steward. I know most of you know where I look for. This is a positions that don't require experience. Cleaning the kitchen, you don't require experience for this. You see this position, you don't require experience. If they didn't tell you, you don't require any experience, just tell them make your CV. And sometimes, even if these positions don't require experience, you need to have experience. Your CV needs to show that you have experience in the position that you're applying for, especially if your experience is not like it's not related to kitchen experience. You see, if you've been working as a commis chef, you can apply for kitchen steward without you requiring to have like kitchen steward experience. So you need to tailor make your CV. Why? So many people are applying for this position, so they only pick those people they feel they have more experience than you. So tailor make your CV always. Okay, I hope I've given you a secret. Don't tell anyone. So as you can see, guys, there are a lot of positions here. A lot of them. These ones you cannot finish, guys. This is Ocean's position in all department, all at once. So you don't have to worry at any. There's hotel storekeeper, there's storekeeper. There's assistant stateroom steward. These are positions that don't. Assistant stateroom steward, like you're cleaning the rooms, and even your assistant. It's under housekeeping and laundry department. And as you can see here where they write Ocean and Expedition, it's global, so it's for anyone to do the application, guys. And if you need help with CV writing, reach out to me at a good fee. We need to get these jobs. And let me tell you, sometimes you might apply and they will not pick you. It's your birthday, but never give up. Try and try until you get there. There's the waiter position. Most people like applying for waiter position. So there it is. There's cruise consultant, there's the laundry master, yeah, there's the laundry ocean. All these jobs are there. Yeah? All these jobs are there for you guys to apply. For you to do the application, there's the stateroom steward. And do you know what you normally do? Like, for example, this one, if you want to see the requirement and for you to know how to write a CV, you just come down here. You can read about it. Okay? You can read about it. Let me show you something. They say stateroom hostess, host or hostess. Okay, it's for both male and female. Twice daily cleaning of 15 to 20 stateroom, which including making beds, vacuuming, dusting, cleaning stateroom, verandas, bathroom, toilets, windows, and mirror. So you need to be hardworking person. Hii ni kazi utafanya usikie umefanya kazi. You see, you have to clean 15 to 20 stateroom in one day. That is including making beds, vacuuming, dusting, cleaning, nini, washing verandas, bathroom, nini, nini. And I know these are jobs that you guys can do. We can do these jobs. Anyone who is listening to this what do you call it? This tutorial, you can. So come here and see what they require. Okay, they give you your profile. Your profile. So these are the things that you check before writing your CV, because you need them to see that you have all this. Must have housekeeping experience, cleaning 15 to 20 rooms twice daily. So you need to have experience working as a housekeeper. Previous experience working or operating in a high standard all guest service and cleanliness, such as 5-star deluxe ship, required. Previous cruise industry is preferred. Okay. And you must able to do intensive walking and have ability to stand. Let me tell you, there's this time someone told me you need to buy bigger shoes than your normal shoe size, because of you standing for long hours, walking from here and there, your feet might be swollen. Then they need space just in case they get swollen. So you need to be someone who is very hardworking. Okay, so you read all this, and then if you feel this is something that you can do, now you can go ahead and do what, and write your CV. Okay, so that's it. You check if whatever you're applying for is something that you can do. The next thing you do is write a CV that is tailored for that specific position. This is also like a cleaning position, resort deck attendant. You clean and deck areas. There's one wine steward. So guys, there's this one steward. Human resource, chef de partie. But again, you need to be very patient, because they may take time to respond to you, but they will eventually. So be patient. Okay, be patient. So let me show you something. Let's go to what I don't know if it was in 5 or what. I want to show you something else. Let's look at this this word. Let's go to form. Let's go to form. It's all about you not giving up, because sometimes these jobs are stressful. You'll apply and apply and apply, and you're not getting response, or you're getting regrets. It's normal. You're not the only person who is getting regrets. Sometimes it's not your day. Sometimes, if let me involve God, it's not, God has not decided you to join the cruise, but take time. Okay. So when we come here, this is the most commonly known positions that don't require a lot of experience. But I'll tell you something about this specific position. If you're a lady, I don't recommend, because it involves a lot of carrying heavy stuffs. So you must be a very strong person, and I always recommend men to apply for this position. Si rahisi. I have two ladies who are working at Carnival Cruise Line as galley steward, and they told me after 1 month they were told, like, we will help you. We have allowed you to apply for another position on board cruise ship, like a lower entry position, because the work at the kitchen is too much for them to bear. So you need to read about all this, okay? So here they say professional experience as a kitchen or hostel steward or similar position within a 5-star hospitality or restaurant environment is required. Okay, you see, it can be a 5-star or even a restaurant. So if you've been working as a kitchen steward in a restaurant, they won't deny you this position. Fluent in English, must have excellent English communication skills. So you have to know how to speak, write, and listen in English. Uh, must be experienced in leading multicultural teams. So you have to be someone who is used to dealing with stress. You have to be flexible, committed team player. Strong administration skills are preferred. Okay, you need to have all those things, and then write your CV. After you write your CV, and there you can go ahead and apply. As you've noted, they haven't indicated their numbers of years in this experience, so you might be having 6 months experience, 1 year experience working as a kitchen or hotel steward. Still, they will take you depending on how you present yourself. And how do you present yourself? Is by writing a CV that is apt to what they want. So guys, thank you so much for listening to me and staying tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you leave a comment. I'm going to leave the link to Viking. And also I'm going to leave another link for a tutorial on how to apply with Vikings, and we will see. And I'm hoping that you guys will you'll get to secure jobs on board cruise ships. So thank you so much, guys, for always coming back, and let me see you in the next one.